Hello everybody, back here EMD Automotive. This is Paul from. Just gonna show you something about this Volkswagen Golf 2008 turbo diesel. The car was towed in and you cannot start the car, and all you get is a flashing for all the gears selected and flashing at the same time. There's no fault in the engine, but there's a multiple fault in gearbox, brake, electronics, instrument cluster, with a CAN bus fault. So I'm gonna do some checking first before I actually do any. I'm gonna do my diagnostic check first before I do any condemning of parts. So I've selected a few channels here on my tool, so I'm gonna crank it over and see which one gets some reading. No luck, and it's still flashing. Alright, this is gonna be part one. When this car is fixed, I'll do a part two and show you guys. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.